Hi, third graders. For today's response to reading, you're going to get a choice board similar to this one. Your teacher will either give you a digital copy or a paper copy, and you are going to choose one or two of the choices and write about them. So you have ways to make Christmas special for others, the name of Santa's reindeer in order, the perfect Christmas tree, Santa's preferred meal and how to make it, why Santa has a beard, Mrs. Claus's secret ingredients for Christmas cookies, how Cupid the reindeer got his name, and Santa's special toy making equipment. So choose one of these first, decide how you're going to write about it, and in your writer's notebook, write a story or a list or whatever you would choose to go along with the choice that you made, and do some writing. If you have some extra time during your writing rotation, then go ahead and choose a second one and begin writing about it. Have fun, use your imagination, and be creative.